Hi, my name's Cassie and I'm an editor here at Little Things. So if you have children in your life, you know that one of the things they really enjoy doing is coloring all over the walls, which can be really problematic if they've gotten into the permanent markers. So we looked into some cool life hacks that claim to quickly and easily remove permanent marker from your wall, and we decided to put them to the test to see which is the most effective here on a live video. So the first one that we're going to test is toothpaste, which takes a little bit of time. So I'm just going to apply it with a finger, rub it in a bit, let it set, and then move on to some other tests. And the next one we're going to test is just regular old hairspray. And the way that you do that is just apply it directly to the marker and start to rub. And you can tell it almost instantly starts to come off, but it does take a little bit of rubbing. And I'm just going to reapply and do it again until it almost entirely disappears. So it's a pretty great one. So the next one we're going to test is hand sanitizer, just from your local drugstore. And we apply that directly onto the rag this time and start to rub. And already it comes off almost without any rigorous rubbing. It's pretty easy. And a few more times just to get off the residue. So you can see it's pretty effective. It's pretty good. Maybe not as good as the hairspray, but pretty good. So for any of you viewers watching right now, what are some life hacks that you know that help clean up around the house?
Travis Duran says alcohol-based hand sanitizer often works well too.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and then I think that's the one that we just tested, so you can tell that's pretty good. It has some residue left, but any others?
Katrina says white crayon.
Oh, white crayon over top. Well,
if we can get some white crayon, we'll try it.
Yeah, we would definitely put that to the test.
A lot of people are saying hairspray.
Uh-huh. Yeah, that one worked the best so far, I would say. Any others? No? Okay, so the next one we're going to try is just plain old white vinegar. And I'm going to, once again, just apply it directly to the rag. And start to rub. And already I can tell that this is not effective at all.
Someone says sunscreen.
Sunscreen, oh, that's interesting. Yeah, I think I've heard about that one.
Diane says you can also use regular toothpaste to remove permanent marker.
Oh, okay, great. So we're going to test that one out towards the end. So we're just going to let it sit for a little bit. But vinegar is not working, so I'm going to go ahead and move on from that one. And the next one we're testing is regular mouthwash. Again, right on the rag. And start to scrub. And this one I can tell it's coming off a little bit, but it's requiring a lot of elbow grease. So that one isn't my favorite. We'll try
Francine says that you can use bounce sheets.
Oh, bounce sheets. Oh, that's interesting. I bet that would smell good too, kind of better than this. Okay. The next one is regular nail polish remover. Right onto the rag. Okay, so that one's getting it off pretty well. We'll do it a few more times. Yeah, that one's actually really effective. But again, it requires some elbow grease, so. Okay.
We've got a lot of people saying magic eraser.
Magic eraser, yeah. So I agree, magic eraser is really a really effective cleaning tool that I also have at my house, but this is a great idea for if you were caught off guard by a little one running around and you happen to not have any magic erasers. So it's good to know that you can just reach into your medicine cabinet, grab something, and clean it up really fast. So, all right, and this one is just regular rubbing alcohol. Oh, wow. Okay, so this one is very little effort, and it is coming right off. So I would say that one, so far, rubbing alcohol, most effective. Okay, so let's circle back to the toothpaste and see what happened. Okay. So this is coming off, but it's not great. It's kind of smearing it around everywhere. But it did come off. But you do have this residue all around. So I would say personally my favorites were the rubbing alcohol and the hairspray. So if you enjoyed this video, please remember to share it with your family and friends. Please subscribe to our live feed and find us on Twitter and Instagram with our hashtag, or I'm sorry, our handle @LittleThingsUSA. Thanks so much.